Are Title IX cases confidential? Most students and families think school investigations, especially Title IX matters, are totally private. But here's what you need to know. First of all, Title IX is a federal regulation that governs sexual assault and sexual harassment allegations at schools and colleges. In general, school conduct records and Title IX investigations are protected as private student records. That means they're not considered public records, even if it's a public school or university. So the school can't just release those records as part of a Freedom of Information Act request or a public records request. And the police can't just walk in and request them. However, the police can get the records if they use the right legal tools. For example, law enforcement can access these records through a search warrant or sometimes even just a subpoena. That means everything from interview transcripts, statements, and evidence that the school collected could end up in the hands of prosecutors. That's why if you're involved in any school investigation, especially a Title IX matter, you need to assume that the contents could, one day, be shared with the police or end up in a civil lawsuit. Even if there's no criminal case or civil case yet, now is the time to talk to a lawyer if you have been accused of a Title IX violation. Even if you think a criminal investigation or lawsuit is not likely to happen, it's always better to be safe than sorry, because once you make a statement or the investigator makes a finding that ends up in a report, it's hard to walk it back, and it could end up in the hands of police or the opposing party in a civil case.